Hello and welcome to ISCAR's Tip Talk, brought to you from ISCAR's Tech Center. Are you face milling or shouldering a slab or a workpiece and getting burrs all around it? Let's see why this happens and what easy change can diminish or even eliminate this phenomenon. Make sure you run your cutter in a down milling method where the cutter moves along the direction of the feed. This means that when a tooth engaged with a workpiece, the chip thickness is maximal and it goes down to zero, while the cutter proceeds forward. By the way, this is where the name down milling comes from. This thin chip is easily disattached from the workpiece. However, if you are running the cutter in an up milling method, it moves opposite to the feed direction. This means that the chip thickness is maximal when a cutter tooth leaves the workpiece, and this tooth tears the material out, generating large burrs in its wake. Just remember that this recommendation doesn't apply to brittle cutting materials like ceramics, as the impact loading at the engagement of down milling might chip the cutting edge and shorten the insert service life dramatically. Also, if the workpiece has a hard skin, up milling can give better results.